Guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a bag that I picked up from the Chanel 23P collection, so the pre-spring summer collection. I did pick up this bag on the day that the collection dropped, which was about 3 weeks ago, but naturally I am a procrastinator and it took me 3 weeks to film this video. Before I unbox the bag, there is a little bit of a backstory. There always is. So I'm gonna tell you guys that before I unbox it, but I will just give you a little sneak peek of the packaging. So this is her. Well, let me tell you my story first. Basically, I had a store credit at Chanel because I returned something over a year ago, and I was saving this credit for one thing in particular. I really wanted to add a boy bag to my collection because I don't have one. I really wanted to find a small boy bag in a really fun color like lime green or coral. So that was basically my goal. I told my SA what I was looking for, and she's been sending me stuff over this whole year, but I haven't found anything that I'm really in love with. There was one purple one that came out at one point, and by the time I got to the store it was sold out. So yeah, I just haven't found that perfect boy bag that I want. She also had sent me this really cute khaki boy bag, and I tried it on and I really did like it, but it was in a medium. I don't know why, I just really want the small one. I find it so cute and fun, and I think it's the perfect size for me boy bag wise. All to say, I still haven't found my boy bag, but the 23P collection dropped and my SA posted stuff on her Instagram, and I was kind of just looking through it, not expecting to find anything that would change my mind from the boy bag. So as I was going through her stories, I saw this one bag that just really caught my eye. I wasn't necessarily sure exactly what it would look like when I found it, but when I saw it I was like, that's the one. I texted her, I said, please put this aside for me, I will come tonight and pick it up. I wanted to go see it and see if that would change my mind of the boy bag that I was kind of saving my credit for. So as she's going to get the bag, I started to look around, and I have to say the 23P collection had a lot of nice colors. They had the most beautiful shade of bubblegum pink, and pink is also a bag that I've been looking to add to my collection. So I kind of was looking around. They had a really nice white bag with a colorful handle, and that one was really cute too, but I already have a white Chanel. And then I did see this really cute pink backpack, so I tried that one on while she was getting my bag, and I definitely like that one a lot as well. So I was kind of deciding between that one or going for the bag that I originally had put aside. And then also I had seen another bubblegum pink wallet on chain, and it was so cute, and when you open it, the inside is khaki green. So my two favorite colors in one bag. But then again, I didn't want a wallet on chain, I wanted a full-size bag. So I was leaning more towards either the backpack or the bag that I had put aside. And then I was trying on the backpack, and I'm like, I realized that I didn't really have any outfits that would match with that backpack. I find it's kind of a casual bag that you can't really wear to go out at night. So that's really what made me decide to get the bag that I had originally put aside, and that's what I ended up getting. And just to say that this bag that I did end up getting is a bag that I've been looking to get. Like I said, the thing with the store in Montreal where I live, they don't really get that much stock. So when they do get it, it kind of sells out the first day. Well, like as soon as the collection drops, it kind of sells out. Here it is again. I haven't seen it since the store because they wrapped it up, and then I brought it home, and I really wanted to unbox it for the first time on camera for you guys. So let's start with the little ribbon. Can you guys guess what bag I got? Spoiler alert, it's not a boy. I mean, I feel like if you already saw the collection, you might have guessed what it is. So pretty. I'm holding my breath. Okay. Okay. There goes the paper. Not the paper, the ribbon. Okay. And stick the sticker. As you see, I really didn't open it. I'm not lying. I waited a whole 3 weeks for this. And we have the certificate. So I guess that's another little hint for you guys about what I got. Are you ready? Oh my God, she's so cute. Isn't she so cute? Yes, it's a small classic flap in denim. So that's what I was talking about. I was really looking for a denim bag. I wasn't sure if I wanted a classic flap, but I definitely wanted a Chanel bag in denim. I'm just a sucker for that 2000s Britney, Justin Timberlake moment. Denim on denim, I love it. And when I saw this one, I just thought it was the perfect one. It's the one that just really caught my eye. As you can see, there's like really cute flower print on it, and it's like embossed. It's not really just printed on, it's like kind of 3D. And then it has the little pocket in the back. I also wanted to get a small classic flap because I have the big one and I have the medium, but I don't have a small, and the smalls are definitely harder to come by. So when I saw that it was a small classic flap and it was denim, I had to have it. She has the cutest little heart right here. I don't know if you could see it. We're just gonna open that up. So it's a single flap, and take out this amazing chain. One of the other reasons that really sold me on this. So the inside of the bag is this beautiful blue leather. It has the pocket in the back with the zipper, like all the regular classic flaps. And obviously you have your pocket in the back, which also has blue leather inside. So when I was deciding between the backpack and the little wallet on chain or this like really sold me on this. So it has like this little heart. It's basically, you can adjust the strap. You can make it smaller or longer. So the original classic flap would have like grommets here and here where you can adjust it to be either single strap or double strap. But I found this was super cute that it has this, so you can kind of adjust it to any length you want. Plus it's just the cutest little hardware. It's a heart, it has a CC as a button, so you push down on the CC in order to move it. Even on these little hooks, they engraved a little CC. You definitely can't see that. Now I'll try it on for you guys. So I wore a whole denim outfit to try it on with so that I can really do that denim on denim look. And that's why I said you guys might guess what it is if you've already seen the collection. Given the fact that I'm wearing denim, I don't know, I feel like I would have guessed. Also, I hope that it matches because like I said, I didn't take her out of the box. So I was just hoping that the denims were gonna go together. I mean, as far as I see, it's definitely looking like it matches. I'm so excited. So this is the denim on denim look. I don't know if I would actually do this dress with this bag, to be honest, but like I said, I hadn't unboxed it, so I didn't really have it in front of me to match with outfits. I find it's a little bit small for the look, if that makes sense, but she's so cute. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how this little strap works. So this is the shortest that it goes. So kind of if you were wearing a regular classic flap, this is what the double strap would look like. And then if you lift it up, then you can make it longer. I think about like halfway through you're gonna get the same length as if it was on a single strap for the regular classic flap. So that is so fun as a crossbody, and I love that you can just adjust it. Like this would be a good length for me as crossbody, and I'm small, so usually bags don't really fit me properly as crossbody, but this one is looking super cute. Okay, so that's all guys. I hope you really enjoyed my unboxing of this beautiful bag from the Chanel 23P collection. So in love with her even more than the day that I picked her out. I know it's just a bag and it's material things, but when you buy a bag, it should make you happy. So when I see this, I just get butterflies inside and I'm just so happy. So I know that I definitely made the right decision. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if I should have went with this bag or one of the other ones that I mentioned, even though in my heart I know this is the one for me, but let me know what you think. So that's all guys. I hope that you like this unboxing, and I hope that you are in love with this bag just as much as I am. So do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.